going on, guys? Oregon motorcycle back today. I'm just working on a couple videos out here today, and I thought I would share something pretty cool that I came across for the car. It's like a phone holder. Right on. I'll post the links down below. I'll show you guys what's going on. But basically what we have here is, so this is the phone holder, and it's also a charger. And I don't know if you guys can see down there the little mount. So it's a combination of two things. It's the MagSafe charger, and then you have this mount here. So the mount was really cheap, and I got like all this for like under 20 bucks. I did have to buy a USB extension because I came up like literally like 6 inches short from where the USB is, but I just kind of tucked this wire underneath here. Could be a little cleaner if I maybe looped it back down or something. I don't know, but this is, I mean, it's not, you know, it's pretty decent install. And this thing is like, you can move it and rotate it and put it in any position you want, and it grips the phone really well here. So you know, it's just automatic. So, and that's it. It's locked into place. And I've driven the car pretty hard, and it's not going anywhere. So it locks in there, starts charging right away. And so yeah, I just ran the wire, kind of just tucked it up underneath here, and then I went and tucked it up underneath here, ran it, and then there's a little indentation here. I dumped it out, ran the excess wire because the USB extension I bought was like 6 foot, and then right there I have it plugged in. So yeah, it's really awesome, really convenient, really easy to just grab your phone, pick it up or whatever, you know, and then, you know, just throw it on the charger. I mean, that's it. It's there. So pretty cool. So yeah, I'm working on a couple other videos, you guys, and I'm getting ready to go on a group ride right now. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button if you guys are liking my content. Do motorcycle videos. Right there's my motorcycle, yeah, and all that kind of stuff, and throwing a little bit of car stuff here and there. Like right here I did brakes, but I never made a video for the brakes. I probably should have, but the freaking brakes on this car are insane. So I replaced the rotors and the fluid and the brake pads, obviously, and they're rad. So anyways, Beamer's awesome, and so is my CB500X. So until next time, folks, Oregon motorcycle.